Welcome to Touring Tutorials, a series where we aim to help keep your rig in the best shape possible.
Here at Touring, we're known for putting thought and quality into our products and features in our builds.
We want to equip all of our customers with the best tools possible for their adventures on the road.
So with that, let's jump into this episode discussing secondary heaters for your camper van.
Heaters are a great way to keep your van not only warm in the winter, but temperature controlled year-round. This is essential for helping your batteries stay healthy and operating at peak performance, and also helps keeping any pets you bring along happy if you step out for a quick hike. We install S-bar units in our builds as a secondary heating source, which will accompany the AquaHot hydronic heating system. For larger floor plans, this secondary heater comes in handy with maintaining a consistent temperature inside at all times. The S-bar heater is super user-friendly, where you can set the duration of time where you need heat and also the temperature with one easy push of a button. Similar to the AquaHot, this does pull off the diesel fuel tank from the vehicle, so if you're rolling into a campground or a ski resort, just make sure you have enough diesel fuel to operate the system throughout the day. The one thing you want to keep in mind when operating your S-bar system is you do not want to turn it on and shut it off repeatedly in a short amount of time. In doing so, it will clog the system, which is bad for the heating element. If you have any problems or any issues that may arise with either your S-bar or your AquaHot, or if it is throwing a fault or a code, definitely give our service team a call and they can help walk you through it. If you need help with any of these steps, don't hesitate to give our service center a call.
We're here to help you keep your van in great shape and get you back on the trails in no time.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out all of our videos for more great tips from our team.